In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get unbanned on Monkey app. First, you have to understand why you were banned. Monkey bans accounts for violating guidelines, inappropriate behavior, too many reports, or using fake information. Knowing the reason helps you avoid repeated bans. Sometimes bans are temporary. If it's a short suspension, it will automatically expire after the timer ends. Now, what you can do is appeal your ban. At the bottom menu, click on the monkey icon. Then now click on the gear icon at the top right. Next is click on support. Here, explain your situation clearly and politely. Make sure that you include your username, your device type, and a short explanation that you'll follow the rules. Many bans get lifted after review. Now, if the appeal doesn't work, you might need a fresh start. Start creating a new account with a new email, new phone number, and clean profile features. Also, this time, make sure that you follow all community rules. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!